Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want your Wix website to rank higher on Google? This tutorial will cover essential SEO techniques and tips to improve your site's visibility and search engine ranking. Let's get your Wix website to the top of Google. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing, guys, is I will need you, of course, to own an account with Wix and a website. If you don't, simply just head up to wix.com, just remove this manage, wix.com, and click on here to create a new site, and you'll be able to have a new site created only for you. Now guys, in this video we are going to manage our SEO ranking, which is basically how to rank your website higher in the search engine. For example, if I went to google.com, basically here, and I searched for a pizza recipe, easy homemade. So here I have used a couple of keywords which are pizza, recipe, homemade and easy. Now when I have written these keywords, I will find dozens and dozens of websites, but you guys know that Google might have a limited amount of pages, but the most important pages in Google search engine is basically the first one. Of course, it might be the second, it might be the third also, but the first one is the most important one since it have the higher clicking rates. So people will find the results, this fastest result they find, they will click on it. They will not spend time going through all the pages. So putting yourself in the top 1 or 3 pages in Google search engine is highly recommended and very important. Now how can you make that happen? This is what I'm going to show you in this specific video. So first and first is go ahead and click on your website. Right after that, go and open wix.com and go to your dashboard and click on edit sites right through here. Now the first thing that I will highly recommend you guys to do is the text written in your website. Try to always optimize it with SEO tools. There is a lot of tools that can help you. One of them is basically the AI ChatGPT. So you can literally just go for ChatGPT and ask it to improve your text in your website. It has to improve every little thing. So everything that you are written in your site, try to make it as improved as possible. So this is the point number 1. Try also, guys, if you had an e-commerce website, to add the tags. The tags in your products are very helpful. That are gonna be very useful when people search for them in Google, because these tags are gonna work for you just like keywords. Another thing that is highly recommended is, let me just go here, this is like a brand new space. I'm gonna add an image into it, so let's add an image. Let's go here, import or upload image, and I'm gonna choose upload from computer, and let's have this Naruto picture here. So let's wait a little bit. Alright, let's add to page. Let me just resize it a little bit, put it here, and here we go. If you want to edit image, you will find a couple of information like editing, style, etc., which is not what you are looking for exactly. But what you are looking for is the description. So you leave here, go to settings, and you will find here this text, what's in image. These things, all of these things has to literally be changed to a specific SEO optimized text. For example, what's in this image? Is this numbers? No, it shouldn't be numbers. It should be a text that literally describes the image in a very SEO optimized way, that it can literally put your chances higher when it comes to the rankings on Google. At the same time, again guys, this is very important when it comes to Google search engine, so you have to work on literally everything. So I have here edit image, go to the cutout AI editor and write here whatever you want, and once you're done, go to settings right through here, go to this area, what's in the image, write it down, and write here as well. You have to use everything possible for you, so you can literally have it working as an SEO optimization for you, as an advantage. This image could be a very big advantage for you in the search engine, so always try to profit from it. Now, another thing, guys, that I would like you to do is the videos. When it comes to videos as well, I would like you to add the same thing into them. Let's try to add a video real quick. I'm gonna go right here to the image thing, I guess. Let's search for video. I mean, here it is. There's the video and music. So you can literally here add a video. So you can upload a video. Now, when you upload a specific video, you can literally click on it, double click, and you will find here what is video about. Just simply write down like a very big text about this video, but not from yourself, but of course from an SEO optimized tool that can boost your chances of becoming higher in the search engine. So all of these things that I'm telling you guys might be feeling like very, very long and time consuming and useless, but trust me, it's really important to boost your website when it comes to search engine, and when it comes to being in the top 3 pages in Google search engine, since becoming here is a very, very hard mission, since there is a high competition. Like, even if you try to write down Amazon, let me just write down Amazon, and as you can see here, there is like Wikipedia about Amazon. Like, not only Amazon website is shown here, but there is videos about Amazon, there is the about Amazon, there is Wikipedia, there is X, which is the official website. If you want to the second page, there's LinkedIn, there's Facebook, and here we started to go all random things. Like Apple is doing something here. I don't know what is this, but it's doing something here. So they all have a keyword that managed to help them to get to the top pages. That's the same what you have to do. Again, the tool that I'm going to suggest for you is basically ChatGPT. Unfortunately, Wix doesn't have a really good tools or plugin that can help you to manage to create a very high recommended search engine SEO optimized tool. So you can literally just go to setting and try for yourself. Try to search for an app, but doesn't really have that big of potential. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. That's all I could give you as informations. Make sure that your text is optimized, your videos, your images, all the elements of your page have a text behind them that's mentioning what are they doing. Your products, if you're doing e-commerce, make sure to have them as tags, give them the good description. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.